if I told you Lamborghini's newest V8 supercar just challenged a 1,000 horsepower V12 monster and almost won? Sounds impossible, right? Because today, we're putting the all-new Lamborghini Temerario against the mighty Lamborghini Revuelto in a series of brutal drag races. Nobody saw it coming. One of these cars costs more. One has more horsepower. One has the legendary V12. But when the lights go green, none of that may matter. Welcome back to Torque Cars Lab, the home of luxury cars, supercar battles, and insane automotive content. If you're a true car enthusiast, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because you're about to witness one of the closest Lamborghini battles ever filmed. Today, we'll test quarter-mile acceleration, rolling races, launch control performance, braking power, and top-end speed. By the end of this video, we'll discover whether Lamborghini's newest hybrid V8 is actually faster than its flagship V12 supercar. And trust me, the ending will shock you. Let's get started. Today, we're testing launch control, quarter-mile acceleration, rolling races, top-end speed, and braking performance to discover which Lamborghini is really faster. And trust me, this race gets absolutely wild. First up, the brand new Lamborghini Temerario. This replaces the legendary Huracan, and Lamborghini completely changed the formula. The iconic V10 is gone. Instead, you now get a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 combined with 3 electric motors. Total power? 920 horsepower and around 730 newton meters of torque. But here's the crazy part. This turbocharged V8 revs beyond 10,000 RPM. That is absolutely insane. The design looks futuristic, sharp, and aggressive from every angle. This thing looks ready to attack the road. And honestly, nobody expected it to challenge the Revuelto this hard. But then, there's the Lamborghini Revuelto. This is Lamborghini's flagship monster. A 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, paired with 3 electric motors. Total output? More than 1,000 horsepower. And over 1,000 newton meters of torque. No turbo lag, no fake sound, just pure, screaming V12 madness. This thing sounds like a Formula 1 car, mixed with a fighter jet. And honestly, on paper, the Revuelto should dominate this race. More power, more torque, more drama. But real life doesn't always follow the numbers. Both Lamborghinis line up. Launch control activated. Tires warming up. Drivers focused. The tension is unreal. Because while the Revuelto has more power, the Temerario is lighter, smaller, and brutally quick off the line. This is gonna be close. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my God! The Temerario launches insanely hard. The Revuelto fights back immediately, and both cars stay side by side. Nobody expected this. The smaller Lamborghini is actually matching the V12 monster. The Temerario feels violent off the line. Instant hybrid torque, sharp shifts, crazy traction. But the Revuelto keeps pulling with that screaming V12 power. And at the finish line, it's unbelievably close. Honestly, that was shocking. The Temerario was never supposed to be this close. Somehow, alongside Lamborghini's flagship. Suddenly, the Revuelto doesn't feel untouchable anymore. Now it's time for the rolling race. 50 miles per hour, half-mile run. This is where horsepower really matters. 3, 2, 1, go. The Revuelto instantly jumps ahead. That naturally aspirated V12 response is brutal. No hesitation, no delay. But wait, the Temerario starts pulling back. That hybrid turbo V8 setup keeps building speed. And near the finish line, the gap almost disappears. That is seriously impressive. Let's be honest, sound matters. The Revuelto sounds absolutely legendary. That screaming V12 is pure Lamborghini emotion. Aggressive, violent, unforgettable. The Temerario sounds sharp and modern, but the Revuelto, that sound hits your soul. This is the difference between fast and iconic. Everything comes down to this. Final drag race, both cars fully warmed up. Perfect launch conditions. Maximum attack. Winner takes all. 3, 2, 1, go! Both cars launch perfectly. The Temerario gets a tiny jump. The Revuelto instantly starts fighting back. Both Lamborghinis are absolutely flying. Neck and neck, inches apart. The Revuelto starts closing the gap, but the Temerario keeps pulling. This is insane! Photo finish. Literally impossible to call in real time. And the result? Both Lamborghinis ran the quarter mile in around 9.9 seconds, but the Temerario just barely crossed the line first. Yes, Lamborghini's new entry-level supercar just defeated the V12 flagship. That is absolutely crazy. The Temerario proves something huge. Modern hybrid turbo technology is becoming unbelievably powerful. Smaller engines, less weight, instant electric torque, and the performance is insane. But even after losing, the Revuelto still feels special. Because speed is one thing, but a naturally aspirated Lamborghini V12? That emotion can never be replaced. So, which one are you choosing? The futuristic hybrid V8 Temerario or the screaming V12 monster Revuelto? Comment below right now. And if you enjoyed this video, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Torque Cars Lab, and turn on notifications for more insane supercar content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.